You didn't just win the car, you also won $50,000 in cash.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah, I'm just calling from my phone here. It's an 858 area code. Again, the winner of RM26 has not been contacted at all. We got the winner today from Compliance Sweepstakes Services, who picks the winner at random. We have nothing to do with that. We just do the fun part, which is play with the cars and then award the prize. And we get to meet some of you guys along the way. And one of you is going to win RM26. We're going to fly you here to San Diego if you want. We're going to hang out. We're going to drive this car. We're going to put $50,000 in your pocket. We're going to have a representative from honor.org come over and claim their donation. Again, whoever wins this, our veterans are definitely winning because we're donating $10,000 to honor.org to support our veterans as they come out of serving our country and re-enter society. And so we're very proud to do that. So no matter who wins, our veterans are definitely winning, and someone's going to win. Are we ready to call? So again, we are doing this live. This person has not been contacted at all. They have no idea that we're about to call them, so they may not answer. We may have to call them repeatedly. We may have to text them, all of which has happened before. Sometimes they answer on the first ring. I think the last time the winner was actually watching the live stream, which was the first for us, which was a cool moment. So maybe that'll happen again. We just have no idea what's going to happen. So please bear with us. This is live, and we try to just be as transparent as we can with the sweepstakes process and sharing with you guys kind of the process that we go through when we get the winner and how we contact the winner. So this is exactly how we do it. It's ringing, which is a good sign.
Hi, I'm not available right at the moment.
Okay, so we got some kind of voicemail.
Hi, I'm not available.
Okay, we got voicemail back to back. I'm gonna try to text this number even though I think it might be like a landline. When in doubt, I just repeatedly call like a psycho ex.
Hi, I'm not available right at the moment.
Less rings, but got voicemail. So that kind of tells me maybe it's a mobile phone? Yeah. And I'm just getting parked because they're in the middle of some important thing in their life, but they don't know that this is the most important thing that ever could happen to them.
Hello?
Oh, hello, yes, hi, I'm trying to reach Michelle.
Is it?
Hi, Michelle, my name's Chris from a company called RestoMods.com.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just wondering if you remember entering a sweepstakes. I believe you signed up back in April to win a '69 Chevelle.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. I was just making sure that you remember. What are you saying?
Someone got it?
Oh. Someone did get it, and we're actually live right now on YouTube. I don't know if you're catching the live stream right now. We're live on YouTube because today we're calling the winner of RM26. And I have the name right here on the paper, and it was your phone number that was given to me by our sweepstakes company, and I'm calling to tell you
Shut up.
that you're the grand prize winner of RM26.
Oh my God, shut up. No way.
Yes way.
No way. Oh my God.
Sorry, I had to call you a few times. I hope I'm not interrupting your day.
No, I'm on Ragbri right at the moment. I'm the bus driver for a team, and they ride their bicycles across Iowa.
Oh.
And it's a big party, family-like thing all week. And
that's
oh my
awesome.
Gosh, are you kidding me?
I'm not kidding you. You can check right now. We're live on YouTube,
Guys,
and we're
go on to YouTube.
It's our YouTube channel is called RestoMods.
RestoMods.
And we're live right now. I'm sitting in front of the car that you're going to win.
Go to RestoMods live right now. I just won a '69 Chevelle.
1,000 horsepower '69 Chevelle.
1,000 horsepower '69 Chevelle. I did.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
How many people are you with right now?
Someone else had won it. Oh my God. Guys, go. What's the YouTube thing again?
It's called RestoMods. RestoMods.
ReSto. RestoMods. He said I'm live right now.
We're live right now. I'm drinking tea and talking on my phone to you.
Resto what? Oh my God. RestoMods.
So great.
RestoMods giveaway? Yes.
That's us.
Oh my God.
It's a guy in a gray shirt and a hat holding his phone.
Guy in a gray shirt. She's opening it right now. Oh my God.
So you remember entering to win this car, right?
Yes, I did, because that's my favorite car.
Oh, really?
Yes, growing up as a teenager, I always wanted a 69 Chevelle.
Well, now you've got one. It's quite the 69 Chevelle too. This build process took our team about 2 years. It's got a brand new crate engine in it. Every possible thing on this thing is upgraded. It's, I mean, in my opinion, the nicest 69 Chevelle on the planet.
Are you serious?
Dead serious. And you know what else?
Oh my.
You didn't just win the car. You also won $50,000 in cash.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm crying right now. Oh my God.
Are you guys, did you guys find the YouTube by chance?
Yes, the whole team is listening to it right now.
That's awesome. Yeah, my whole team is here listening to you as well, and we're enjoying this.
Oh my God.
This is the most fun that we get to have at our job, is to talk to people like you who supported the brand along the way and now get to win the grand prize of this incredible car and a pile of cash. And we're also, along with this, making a $10,000 donation to honor.org, which is a charity here in San Diego that services our Special Forces veterans that come out of the after serving our country. Yes.
Awesome.
That's awesome. So I know
gosh.
I know you're in the middle of this road trip right now, but is there any chance you'd be able to, if we could fly you here to San Diego to pick up your prize?
How much is that going to cost?
To you, nothing. We fly you a +1 here to San Diego. We put you up. You hang out with us for a couple days. We fly you home, and then we ship the car to you.
Oh my God. Oh my God. After the RAGBRAI is over, I can definitely do it.
Okay, well, catch your breath a little bit. Catch your breath. It's all good. This is so great.
My God.
Say something. Let me know you're still there, Michelle.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. I love you guys.
We love you too.
Oh, this is the best gift.
Well,
oh my gosh.
I know you're in the middle of your drive right now, so here's what's going to happen.
Well, we got to the overnight town, so we're doing good.
Okay, you're there. Okay, perfect. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to put you in touch with our sweepstakes company, which is called Compliance Sweepstakes Services. All you have to do is just sign to say you're officially accepting the prize. There's no cost at all, nothing like that. Once you officially accept the prize and you get home from your trip, we'll begin the process of getting you out here to San Diego. We'll work with your calendar. We'll fly you +1 out here to San Diego, put you up in a nice hotel, get you behind the wheel of your car. Oh, I forgot to ask you, you know how to drive a manual, right?
Yes, I do.
Awesome. This thing's got a 6-speed manual right behind that 1,000 horsepower engine. So that's good.
Oh my gosh.
We're going to get you into the driver's seat. We're going to put $50,000 in your pocket. We're going to have some fun, shoot some videos, and then we will fly you home and ship the car right to your door. Or it's really up to you at that point, because it's your car, it's your prize. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Is it sinking in?
Oh my gosh. Not yet.
Not yet. It becomes really real when you get here.
I just fell to the ground. I'm shaking.
I hope somebody's taking video on your side that you can send to us.
Yes, they are. I can take pictures and.
I love it. I love it.
Oh my God.
All right, well, I will let you kind of process this. This number that I'm calling you from, this is my cell phone, so you can reach out to me directly with any questions or anything like that. And then I'll just get my sweepstakes company started with the process of filling out your paperwork. Literally all you have to do is sign and say, I accept the prize, no cost to you at all. And then we'll begin the process of getting you out here and claiming your prize, putting you in the driver's seat and putting that 50 grand in your pocket.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Awesome. Well, from all of us here at RestoMods, I want to say thank you for supporting us and believing in us and entering into the sweepstakes. And again, congratulations on being the winner of RM26.
Thank you so much. I can't wait.
Yeah, we're excited as well, so can't wait to get you out here and enjoy the rest of your road trip. And I will be in touch. Awesome.
Thank you, Lard.
Thank you,
goodness.
Michelle. Thank you, and congratulations again.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye. All right, there you have it. The winner of RM26. Again, she has to sign a little bit of paperwork, just officially accepting the prize, and then we can announce her name and everything. And like I said, we're going to try to get her out here to San Diego as quickly as possible, put her in the driver's seat of RM26, and put that $50,000 in her pocket. We will also have a representative out here from honor.org to accept our donation of $10,000 to their cause, supporting the veterans who make all of this possible and defending our freedom here in this great country of the United States of America. So again, thank you to all of you out there. Without your support, none of this is possible. Again, all of you are winners because we are going to contribute to our veterans here. And if I did not just call you, this is RestoMods.com. The end of one sweepstakes is the beginning of another. You can still get entered to win RM27 at RestoMods.com, and in just a couple months, I could be sitting at this desk calling you to give you the good news that you are the winner. So thank you again, and good luck.